Today, I will show you a beginner-level simple modeling tutorial. To switch from object mode to edit mode, simply press the Tab key. When you switch to this mode, you'll see the lines and points that make up your object. By manipulating these, you can shape your object however you like. Each point you see is called a vertex, each line is an edge, and the combination of 4 points creates a face. To select vertices, press the 1 key. To select edges, press the 2 key. To select faces, press the 3 key. You can also change the settings from the selection panel in the top right corner. If you want to move a vertex, edge, or face, you can press the G key just like in object mode and shape it as you like. To rotate it, press the R key. To scale it, press the S key. To snap the edited vertex, enable the snap option at the top and choose where you want to snap it. If you want the surrounding vertices to also be affected while moving a vertex, activate the proportional editing setting. Now, the surrounding vertices will be affected by the movement of the selected vertex. If you want to enlarge or shrink the influence area, simply scroll the mouse wheel. This way, you can more easily shape the object as you desire. If you want your object to look smoother, all you need to do is right-click and select the Shade Smooth option. I demonstrated basic modeling in this video. In the next video, I'll be covering modifiers. Thank you for watching until the end.